Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be telling you what is HTML. HTML, it is used for creating the web pages and or websites. This is a quick. So let's get started. I will explain you through this PPT. Introduction of HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. This is the primary building block for creating a web page and is also the almost simple language used to. These are the points. Format text like this, heading and paragraph, arrange graphic. Link different pages within the website and other websites. What is web pages? A web page is a document or information resources for the World Wide Web, WWW. It can be accessed through the internet using the web browser and displayed on a monitor or a mobile device. This information is usually in HTML or XHTML format and may provide navigation to other web pages via hypertext link. It can have multiple elements such as text, image, audio, and video. What is website? It's a collection of pages representing an organization's company. Depending on the need of the company, a website consists of a single page or hundred of pages. Use of HTML website. HTML allows users to create and structure sections, headings, links, paragraphs, and more on a website using various tags and elements. Almost everything you want to create on a web page can be done using a specific HTML code. Structure of HTML documents. HTML documents are written using a text editor like Notepad. It is not necessary to be connected to the internet to view HTML code. It will display the web page on a browser. 3 parts of HTML documents. A line containing HTML version information. A declarative header section delimited by the head element. Third point, a body which contains the document actual content. Container and empty. Container and empty tags. There are 2 kinds of tags, container and empty. The container tag always wraps around text or graphic and comes in a set with an opening and closing the tag, just like this. Okay, so in one that adds a line break. Empty tags do not have to be wrapped around text and do not require a closing. Means HTML has the 2 parts, container and empty tag, you all know. And container comes in a pair and empty comes in self-contained, means it is a 2 of pairs, means 2 pairs, and this self-contained is only 1. It means himself only. Okay, now format of HTML. So this is a doc type HTML, then heading means heading, then title, what is the title of your any presentation, any website you want to create, and a body. So basic HTML tag and description. So doc type HTML. So it's an instruction to the browser that the version of HTML used to write the page in HTML file. So it is the first statement written in the HTML. So this is tell the version of HTML. Okay. Or now we come to HTML. HTML root element means it contains information about the document title, script, and style. Definition used in document. Okay. Now this is the title page. Means and the title of a HTML page and body holds the content of HTML. Thank you. Like my video and share and subscribe. Okay, bye and watch my next video on PowerPoint. Oh, on HTML only. Bye. Thank you.